In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to divide a single cell into multiple rows or column using both the layout tab and the right-click method. So follow these easy steps. So first go through the insert and click on the table and insert the number of column and rows as you want. So for example, if you want to split this cell into two, so how you can do that? So head to the layout section and click on the split cells and enter the number of columns you want to. For example, I have selected 2, click OK. So you can see that the cell is split into two columns. Similarly, if you want to insert 3 columns in the one particular cell, so how you can do that? Again, go to the layout section and split cells, and here enter the number of columns to 3, and here you can see that the cells is split into 3. And if you want to split into 4, then again click on the split cells and enter the number of columns 4. Another trick is that select the 2 cells and now first merge the cells and now head to the split cells and enter the number of columns you want to enter. Click OK. So here you can see that, and similarly you can merge these 4 rows and click merge cells and go to the split cells and enter the number of columns in between these rows. Moreover, you can also right click and go to the split cells, and here you can enter the number of columns to 2. And again right click and go to the split cells and enter the number of columns as maximum as you can. Again right click and go to the split cells and enter the number of columns you want to in that cells, and go to the split cells and enter the number of rows, for example like 3, and here you can see that the 3 rows are entered in that particular cells. So with this way you can easily split cells perfectly. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.